Hello mga palangga! Ayan, in today's video, I'm gonna make a cucumber salad. Well, in fact, this is my own version of cucumber salad. Ayan, so these are my ingredients or ito yung mga kakailanganin ko for my own cucumber salad. So, of course, I have cucumbers, cilantro, cherry tomatoes, black olives, sweet corn. Luto na siya mga palangga. May nabibiling luto na sweet corn. And for my own dressing, may nabibiling set na din. Meron siyang virgin or virgin extra olive oil, wine vinegar, and salt. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin ko for my dressing later. So, for the procedures, let's get started. So, ito na siya mga palangga. My black olives. So, ito na siya mga palangga. My black olives. Tanggal ko na siya sa can. So, okay mga palangga. Sisimulan na natin ang pagbuo ng aking cucumber salad. So, yung first is, of course, ilalagay natin yung cucumber. Tomatoes, then olive, next cilantro, and lastly mga palangga, ilalagay na natin yung ating dressing. So, from wine vinegar, from virgin extract, olive oil. Ayan. Next is vinegar, wine vinegar. And lastly, salt. So when everything is there, it's time to mix. Ayan, imimix na natin. There you have it, mga palangga.